Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. I wanted to show y'all these beautiful little chicks before they were completely grown or moved to the halfway house. These are what you call Sapphire Gems. I had to have them. I bought 8 just in case I lost a couple of them. Well, wouldn't you know, all 8 lived. And they are just about 6 weeks old. I did not get out here quick enough to show y'all before they got their feathers. Hoping they're not going to jump out on me while I record this. So the Sapphire Gem is from a blue Plymouth Rock rooster to a barreled Plymouth Rock hen. And they are for egg layers only, medium-sized chickens. And that was the whole purpose of getting them, was to get a few more egg layers. And they love their swing. These little chicks have grown so fast. And they found out about the swing shortly after I put them in here. And they were just tiny, tiny, tiny. And as you can see, they're getting a bit crowded as they are growing so fast. So I think in about a week, I'll be moving them to the halfway house. And at night, because it is still dipping down into the 50s, I do have a brooder light on them, and they are completely spoiled to the brooder light. If I don't turn it on when it gets dark, they start making all kind of noise and fussing and fussing and fussing because they want that light. But as soon as daylight breaks, I cut the light off because we're getting them ready for the big move. They are not sure what to think about this door being wide open. And I hope and pray that they do not jump out. But they are definitely some beautiful gems, to say the least. What y'all babies doing? Y'all talking? Y'all starting to get your big girl voices? And they are all pullets. So they should be all hens. Alright, I just wanted to bring y'all in for a close view of these beautiful little chicks. Sapphire Gems. I'm not sure if it's a new breed or not, but it is definitely a new breed to myself. I thought they were gorgeous little chicks, and I can't wait to see how beautiful they are once they are more grown up. And I'm sure you'll catch them in some of the videos in the future. So thanks so much for joining me today, and farewell, Homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.